In this video on data entry job description and salaries, I also shared my experience doing data entry from my dad's book warehouse. And in this video, I share heaps of information about the many different types of data entry jobs, so that instead of thinking about data entry like this, you actually think about it like this. But in this video, what are the data entry skills that you need, some recommendations for data entry courses online, and also some recommendations for data entry practice tests so that you can upskill for success, learn to earn, baby, bring it on. Woo! What's up, guys? It is Rowan here from LWAH.com, where we help you find freedom and work-life balance by sharing information on making extra side income, that's the piggy, finding a work-from-home job, or starting an online business. So, in fact, data entry is, in fact, about finding a work-from-home job and starting an online business, because this is very much a world for freelancers and starting your own freelancing business and all the good stuff that comes with that. So what sort of skills do you need to be a data entry operator, data encoder? There's many different names for it, as I covered in the first video. What sort of data entry skills do you need to kickstart or progress and move ahead in this industry? Some of the data entry skills include things like touch typing, filing and record keeping, transcription, accuracy and attention to detail, just having a really good accurate attention to detail, customer service skills. There's also document formatting, computer skills and software knowledge, legislation and compliance, and administrative skills, amongst many, many others. Okay, great. So how do you get these skills? How do you upskill for success? Let me share with you a whole bunch of courses and tests that you can use. Check them out, see if they are any good for you. If they're not, at least it's going to start the research process for you so you can keep it going and really get somewhere. Okay, the first course I want to share with you is from Udemy. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that. This is a very well-established, well-known course platform. The course that they have on here is Data Entry Course for Beginners, and it really gets you into being a data entry professional, but more importantly, it also helps if you're looking at being a freelancer in this space. By the way, I'm going to have links for all these in the description below, so you don't have to remember them or write them down. The next course creator or group that I want to share with you is LWAH, who have a course on data entry clerk. That's, as you can see here, GB, it must be a British course led by a British instructor, and has a whole stack of information there. Also, the independent.co.uk have a course. They've got in their Find Training courses an office management course called Data Entry Clerk. And it says that this one is 30 hours. So that's a whopping big course. I'm not sure if you need one that long, but anyway. Also, certifiedvirtualassistants.com have their own course on data entry. As you can see here, it's one lesson, 30 minutes. That's about, that sounds a bit more palatable, really. Another one is from lynda.com. Now, I gathered that Lynda was actually taken over from LinkedIn. As you can see here, lynda.com from LinkedIn. But they've still got a bunch of courses here, so I'm not quite sure what the go is with that. But these guys have a whole stack of different things, like learning numeric data entry, add data entry fields, create a data entry form, easing data entry with data lists, data entry shortcuts. So all sorts of really interesting stuff. Now, if you want to get more specific onto into certain programs that you would need to use, then highly recommend doing that. For example, LinkedIn Learning has this Excel 2016 essential training with Dennis Taylor, and further down in one of the fields down here, exploring data entry and editing techniques is just one of the little modules he's got in there. But that would dive deep into Excel. Another one not too dissimilar is Google Sheets, so spreadsheets for beginners using Google Sheets. This is a Coursera course. Now, if you believe that you do not need to do a course and you are the best data entry practitioner person in the whole world, then come and do some practice tests and we'll bring you back down to earth. Now, I'm sure you're very good, but it's always good to do some practice tests. So here are a couple of websites. This one is thepracticetest.com/data-entry. So again, I'll have these links in the description below. This one's really good, actually, because it covers a whole bunch of different fields, from emergency data entry. So that's if you want to work for the emergency services, that's obviously very, very important. And Critical is a company that's, or the organization that helps with that. Basic data entry, license plate number tests, VIN number drills, street address drills, money drills, phone number drills, zip code drills, credit card numbers. So obviously a whole bunch of different fields where you can get into data entry there. Also, there's officialtypingtest.com to get your typing speed. You can do the full 10-key test, zip code test, typing test, full keyboard. Another one is typing.com. So now that you've typed both numbers and letters, you're going to combine them and type them together. So they are a couple of courses and a couple of places. Look at this. I've got this weird little, it must be a reflection from outside. Look, I'll use it as my weirdo. A couple of different resources for courses and to check your skills, tests. So data entry, skills, tests, courses. Hope you got something out of that. If you know something that might benefit from this video, please share it with them. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.